Welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this video, we're going to look at how to produce a new Med3 statement for a patient. We're going to look at the new printer settings and how to electronically sign the Med3 statement using Adobe PDF. To start, ensure your system has been configured to show the Med3 statement node on your patient tree. Navigate to the Med3 statement node and right-click and select New Med3 Statement. A new dialog box will open, where you are able to fill out the relevant details for the patient. Once this has been finalised, you have different options to pick from. The OK and Print button will print the Med3 statement out on your default printer. The Print Preview button will show you a view of the Med3 statement before you print it off. The Printer Settings button will now let you pick what printer you would like to use, and this also gives you the ability to print to PDF, so you can digitally sign the prescription and it can be sent to the patient electronically, or they can view it via their Med app. If you have changed your printer settings, select OK and Print, and this will now print or save the document as your preferred choice. If you have decided to save as PDF, then you can decide where to save the file. From here, you are also able to sign the Med3 electronically. If needed, you are able to rotate the PDF by right-clicking and select Rotate Clockwise. Once you've done this, on the top toolbar, select the Sign Document button and select Add Signature. From here, select Draw, and now you can sign in your electronic signature. Click the Save Signature box. This will remember your signature in the future. And now press Apply. You will now be able to position the signature in the relevant box on the Med3 statement. Once you've done this, save the document and close. This can now be attached into the patient's record. You can attach this document back into the patient's record via Record Attachments, so that the patient is able to view their Med3 statement on the Med app, or it can be emailed to them. The easiest way to do this is to right-click and copy the document, and once in the patient's record, navigate to Record Attachments. Right-click on the box at the top right-hand side of the screen and select Paste. This will add the document into the patient's record. Ensure you save the record. Once this has been done, this will now be available for the patient to be able to view in their Med app, or if needed, email to the patient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful.